Home improvements can transform your living space, but often come with a big question: how do you finance them? If you've been looking at Younited as an option, you're in the right place. We're going to quickly clarify what they offer when it comes to home renovation loans. So, does Younited offer loans to renovate your home? Yes, they do. Younited is a European instant credit provider, and among the many purposes for their loans, they explicitly mention enabling consumers to renovate their homes. They offer a solution that is fast, simple, and transparent. Essentially, their personal loans are designed to be flexible enough to cover large expenses like home renovations, from a full kitchen overhaul to smaller projects. Their instant credit solution can provide funds up to €50,000, which you can repay over a term as long as 84 months. This makes it an attractive option for people who need quick, unsecured financing for a major project. The process is designed to be streamlined and digital. Using advanced technology and open banking, Younited aims to give you an instant decision on your application, speeding up the entire financing process so you can get started on your dream home sooner. If you're planning a renovation and are looking for a quick, straightforward way to get the funds, Younited's personal credit solutions are specifically marketed for that purpose. Always check the terms and conditions for your specific country, but rest assured, renovating your home is absolutely one of the stated uses for a Younited credit solution.